Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to change password on Windows 11, so let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first you have to go to the search bar and looking for password, okay? In my case, my computer is in Spanish, so I have to looking for Spanish. And well, then let's enter, and we have here, as you can see, this is the password option. We have PIN and those other things. So if you want to change it, just click on password, and if you have it, just click there. Okay, so for example, if I want to unlock with my finger, just click here and you can setting this part, and you can edit or change it. Okay, so that's how it works. For example, I have a pin, so just click here on change pin, and you have to click here on your actual pin or current pin, and then you have to write your new pin here, as well as confirm your new pin, and then you can include, if you want a letter or symbol, you can do it, and then just click on accept. That is how you can start changing your pin, as same as you can do it with your face or your finger. Okay, so that's how it works. I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.